Sir Darbs, so in one word, ano yung na-feel mo after dito sa Fit Daily yung workout?
Exciting. Exciting and at the same time challenging. So more than one word na yun. So
And I heard pala you did CrossFit before.
yeah, before a long time, 2017. So dito kasi makikita mo on how your mind plays trick with your body. So depends on you on how you push forward. Kaya sobrang ganda nito when it comes to personal development din sa CrossFit. Kasi the only barrier you'll break is not the barrier of your body but the barrier of your mind.
Oh, yes, correct. I agree. And then it shows naman from your before and after, grabe na ngayon yung physique mo talaga. Very consistent ka, no, Sir Darbs?
Oo, consistent ako kasi there's something na I wanted to parang take to my next level. So one of which is yung physicality, not just to look good but to feel good as well. So that I can enjoy life's moment more passionately.
And ito yung last na tanong ko, Sir
Yeah,
Darbs.
from.
Uulit o uulit?
Ulit ako syempre. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang mga coaches of course are very professional. They're able to provide us with proper instructions, proper expectation, and the equipment's top notch talaga. And the environment I can feel na hindi siya yung parang regular gym na medyo kulog. Dito talaga you can even have the rays of the sun in your face. So sobrang natural and I like the fact that it's here. Fit Daily. You should visit this. Real Talk Carbs Through.